How to delete T-Life or T-Mobile ID account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Let me show you the step-by-step process. So the very first thing you want to do is log in into your T-Mobile account. You can simply move into tmobile.com and sign in. Once you have been logged in, simply navigate to Profile, select Profile and then move into T-Mobile ID. After that, select Manage App Account. In the Manage App Account section, you'll see the option where it says Delete App Account. Simply toggle on Delete App Account and confirm by selecting Yes. Once again confirm and click on Delete My App Account. After that, your account will be deleted successfully. You should also know that this process deletes the app-specific account data but does not cancel active T-Mobile service plans. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.